Hi, this is Airsoft Andrew 17, and I am doing my first video for YouTube. I'm going to do it on my CO2 airsoft gun. I recently ordered this from Airsoft Megastore. It's pretty nice. And I also got this for free. So this is the Taurus PT 24/7 CO2. That's a full metal slide here. And it also has a full metal pistol, metal magazine. Sorry. So today I'm going to do an accuracy test. This gun is shooting 394, so it says, and that is what, that's with 12 gram. So it's actually shooting 305 with 20.2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an accuracy test and kind of a review, I guess. I'm going to be shooting this paper behind this metal tin. I am going to be shooting it from back here. So it's a pretty far distance, but I'm not sure. All the way over there. So let's go. I'm going to fire 6 or 7 shots. I'll be firing it from right over there. I'm going to fire 3 shots from over there. Then I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to show you the tin can, and I'm going to fire 3 more shots. Alright. Shot number 1, and I'm going to try it right-handed. Shot number 2. There's 3. Alright, now the next 3 shots, I'm going to do it originally, left-handed. And I'm going to turn you around so that you may see what I'm shooting at. And we'll see what I hit. Here goes shot 1. Two. And 3. Let's just go one more. Nope. We're out. Alright. So there was 3 shots. I did empty my clip. Now let's see our damage. And I hit it twice. One time was right there. Second time was the edge of the paper. Doesn't look like much, but it did hit it. Overall, I think this is a good weapon if you're just starting airsoft, which I am. And I am going to get into it a lot more. I recently bought a rifle from Airsoft Megastore, which is my choice because they're nice and pretty fast on shipping. I ordered a ANK M4 Q, not Q, sorry, CQB RIS AEG rifle. I ordered the ANK super high capacity box magazine, 5,000 rounds, and I ordered a chest rig and some ammo and a D-Boys 300 round M4 mag. Hope to get that tomorrow. That's what my UPS account says. So I may or may not do a review on that and an unboxing video, maybe. Well, hit the like button, subscribe, tell me what you did and didn't like. Tell me if you didn't like it at all. Tell me what I should change, what I should do better. Remember, this is my first video. Well, hope you guys do something, like it, subscribe it, comment. It's alright. Alright, goodbye.